My name is Michael from DiGidot. This is a new product that we have, the PxLNet transmitter. This is a new transmitter which allows you to send sensitive SPI signals up to 250 meters away. It can also be used to convert ArtNet to DMX, which can be sent 500 meters away. This significantly decreases system costs because you need less hardware. You can install all your devices in a central place and just use your network cable to go to your pixels. And we also have a very small receiver for it. Can I get it out of my pocket? So we have a very small receiver which goes to the other end with some network cable in between, and this can be directly soldered to most industry standard pixel tapes or any other pixel control product. You can send up to 8 universes from one port, and the new licenses that we are going to release directly after the ISE show include a live 16 and live 24 universes. So that's quite a lot. And with these products, you can significantly improve your infrastructure. The website is www.digidot.eu.